everything is gonna be great! How do you go to gate TBA? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's a very early day, as you can see right now. At you can see I'm in the car, but we are going to do my first ever travel vlog, and this is my first plane travel after 2 years. So nag-decide na lang kami mag-park and fly to see how it is. Na if it's just the same, okay lang din. And yun nga, less risk din. So okay to for people na wala mag-drive sa kanila, or if you have a red-eye flight na mahirap nga kumuha ng Grab. And of course, getting out public transport is still kind of risky, you know, because of the pandemic. And yeah, wala akong tulog because this week was really busy. So anyway, I'll see you guys, and I'm so excited. Just wish us luck that everything is gonna be great! This is the shuttle now of Park and Fly. So it's very easy. You just have to go there, tapos register your car, tapos you just leave your car keys with yung mga tao doon, and then hanap na sila mag-park. So, ito yung shuttle. They'll take you to terminal, whatever you are. So anyway, so always make sure also when you go to your flight, you get maybe an allot for allowance. TBA. How do you go to gate TBA? This is Bohol Station. Hindi kasi mag-shopping sa destination, so might as well shop in the airport. Shops ngayon na bukas mo?
Right now, yes. Unti-unti pa ma'am, baka by April yung full.
Kitty. Like that. That looks like ours. Hi guys, so we just checked in. So the room isn't available yet. So what we're doing is that we're ordering lunch here at the Saffron restaurant. So this is like medyo sa back, and the weather is very nice. As you can see, it's not like sunny beach type, which is what I like because it's not painful to skin, but I will still be very protected because I brought my sunblock. And there's also UV rays kahit may clouds. Take note guys, skin cancer is real. And they have really amazing choices here. Like I got inasal with garlic rice because why would you order inasal but not order garlic rice? What did you order?
I ordered chicken satay and garlic rice.
Can I have your food?
Kuha ka na.
Okay, fine. They have torcino, which is the Italian one. And they have saffron, but the actual torcino restaurant is not open, so the torcino menu is gonna be here, and we're gonna be hitting the beach, taking advantage of this beautiful, not so painful to the balat weather. guys, I also have a tip for you. Before you come to Amorita, should you avail of a hotel suite with a bathtub, get bubble bath na from Lush, and then indulge in your own fun bubble bath! Bubble! Hi guys! So sobrang relax ko after, parang katulog na lang ako. Ayun, it's like my body went into full detox, relax mode. So, that's it for our first day. See you in our second day here in Bohol. Bye!